So now let's talk about the different Twitter ad bidding models. Twitter ad prices are based on auction models, ensuring marketers achieve the optimal results while creating the best possible experience for users. There are 3 bidding models available. The first is automatic bidding. This enables users to auto-optimize their bids for a given campaign objective, allowing budget to be optimized on the advertiser's behalf. The second option is maximum bidding. This allows users to manually select how much a lead, click, or engagement is worth to their business. And finally, target bidding provides users the ability to average out a specific price per engagement. Now let's talk about the benefits of each bidding model. For experienced Twitter advertisers, the automatic bidding option will allow them to drive a more cost-efficient campaign. Additionally, for new advertisers, automatic bidding provides the easiest way to quickly get a campaign properly serving and receiving impressions. For advertisers that prefer more control over a campaign and have strict budget requirements, the maximum bid option allows advertisers to easily set a max cost per objective-based campaign to ensure that they do not have to pay more than they are willing to. Additionally, the maximum bid option allows advertisers to manually set a higher bid, which increases the likelihood of their ad displaying in front of the targeted audience. For advertisers that select either the website visits or followers campaigns, target bidding is the default selected pricing option. Target bid pricing is likely to result in more link clicks while maintaining an average cost per link click that works for them. To manually set your bid, it's important to think about how much a certain objective will be worth to you over the lifetime of your relationship with that user. If you are interested in using the maximum bid option, you will need to select this option from the pricing option dropdown. Below are the recommended bids per objective. For a follower campaign, $2.50 to $3.50 is ideal. Website visit campaigns should range between $1.68 to $10. Tweet engagement campaigns range between $1.50 to $2.50. App installs or re-engagement campaigns between $1.95 to $3.25. And for awareness campaigns, ranging between $6 and $8 is ideal. And for video view and lead campaigns, it depends on the type of campaign and the creative on how you should set your bids. There are also some nuances associated with target bidding that you should be aware of. If you change your target bid throughout the day, Twitter is going to optimize to the highest target bid you entered for that 24-hour period. On the following day, Twitter will optimize the target bid that was set at the end of the previous day. And when changing from maximum to target bidding, there may be a slight delay until the platform is able to bring your average cost per link click closer to your target cost. In some cases, this delay can be over 24 hours. To determine which ads to display, Twitter takes into account both the bid amount and the quality score of your ad. The quality adjusted score helps Twitter determine how your ads are displayed and how much you'll pay when users engage with your ads. The higher the quality score, the less you'll pay for users to engage with your ad. A quality score is based on a large number of inputs, but some of the primary elements you need to consider are the 3 R's. Resonance. Are consumers engaging with your tweet? Do they retweet, like, or reply often? Relevance. Is your tweet related to the things that the user is interested in? And recency. Is your tweet fresh? Twitter is about what's happening now, so fresher tweets get higher priority.